Now we're gonna start with number 6 of this chapter, number 16, right circular cone. What is the question? The question is, it's given as number 6, 77 square meter tripole is required to make a right circular conical tent. If the slant height of the tent is 7 meter, then let us write by calculating the base area of the tent. So therefore, if this is the tent, tripole makes it this thing. So therefore 77 square meter, it means the curved surface area. So curved surface area is 77 meter square, required to make a right circular tent if the slant height of the tent is 7 meter. So slant height is 7 meter, it means L equal to 7 meter. So now according to the problem, curved surface area means pi r L. So we have to write pi r L equal to 77. So now we're gonna put the value of this pi and L. So therefore 22 by 7 into R into L equal to, L means 7, so therefore we can write 7 equal to 77. So now 7, eliminate 7 and 7, so therefore we can write 22R equal to 77. So therefore radius equal to 77 by 22, eliminating by 11, here 7, here 2, so 7 by 2 meter. So radius, we're gonna find that 7 by 2 meter. Now we have to find the base area of the tent. So you see, base area of the tent means this circle. So base area of the tent is equal to pi r square. So we have to find the value of pi r square. So pi r square equal to, we're gonna put the value pi, 22 by 7, and r means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 meter square. So eliminating 7 and 7 and eliminating 2 is 22, we get 11. So therefore we get 7 into 11 means 77 by 2 meter square equal to 38.5 meter square or square meter, anything. So this is the answer. So base area of the tent, we're gonna find that this base area of the tent is 38.5. So you see, in this type of sum, if you remember the formation, we just only put here two formation. One formation is curved surface area, which is known as pi r L, and another formation is base area, which base is similar to a circle. So therefore the base area of the tent should be pi r square. All the mensuration sums are related to these formulas. If you remember this formula, the sum should be very easy. Now the sum number is 7. Here the writing is the base area, it should be the base diameter. I don't know, whatever your new book edition is and the writing is, it should be the base diameter. So the question is, the base diameter of a right circular cone is 21 meter and height is 14 meter. Let us calculate the expenditure to color the curved surface area at the rate of 1.50 per square meter. So here what is given? Given as base diameter means 2r equal to 21 meter. So therefore we're gonna say that r equal to 21 by 2 meter. Height is given as 14 meter. Height means h. We have to find the curved surface area. So curved surface area formation is pi rl. So you see in this formation r, we know that here r is 21 by 2, but we don't know the value of L. So therefore first of all we have to find the value of L. We know the relationship between radius, slant height and the height. If this is a right angle triangle and this is 90 degree, this should be the slant height, which is known as the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. This should be L, this is h and this is r. So therefore we know that h square plus r square equal to L square. We know the value of h, it should be 14. So 14 square plus r means 21 by 2, 21 by 2 whole square equal to L square. So 14 square means 196, 21 square means 441 by 2 equal to L square. So now we have to add these two quantity. So therefore the quantity should be 190, it should be 4. 196 into 4 means 784 plus 441 by 4 L square. Therefore 784 plus 441 means 1225 by 4 equal to L square. So therefore L equal to, if we square this value, we get 1225 is the square root of 35. So therefore this should be 35 and the square root of 4 is 35 by 2. So here we find that L equal to 35 by 2. Now we're gonna find that value of curved surface area. So curved surface area means pi rl. 7 into radius here is 21 by 2 and slant height means 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 meter square. Eliminating 2 by 22, it should be 11 and 7 by 21 3. So 33 into 35. So 33 into 35 should be 35 into 33 1155 by 2. So it should be 577.5 meter square. Now here the question is, let us calculate the expenditure to color the curved surface area at the rate of rupees 1.50 per meter square. So we're gonna find the total cost. So total cost should be 577.5 into 1.50 rupees. So it should be multiplying by 15 first, 0, after that 2, 5, 6, 8. This answer should be 866250. Now here we're gonna put these 2 decimal and 1 decimal, so 3 decimal. So the answer is 866.250. So therefore the answer should be total cost is 866 rupees 25 paisa. So this is the answer.